Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Nothing Phone 2 9 months after its release. Is it still worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The Nothing Phone 2 still feels futuristic with its transparent back and signature LED light strips. After 9 months, the build quality remains solid with minimal wear and tear. But how practical is this design in everyday use? The LEDs are not just for show, they serve practical purposes like notification and charging indicators. But do they still capture attention as they did on day one? The Nothing Phone 2 features a 6.55-inch OLED display. 9 months in, it remains vibrant with excellent color accuracy and deep blacks. Visibility in bright sunlight is decent, though it could be better. Audio-wise, the stereo speakers provide clear and balanced sound. The earpiece doubles as a secondary speaker, and while it's good, it lacks the bass punch of some competitors. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, the Nothing Phone 2 is still a beast in terms of performance. Multitasking is a breeze, and gaming is smooth with minimal lag. But how does the software hold up? Running on Nothing OS, the phone offers a clean and bloatware-free experience. Regular updates have ironed out initial bugs and introduced new features, ensuring a smooth user experience. The dual camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra wide. 9 months later, it's still capable of producing impressive shots. The camera UI is intuitive, offering various modes like night mode, portrait, and pro mode for enthusiasts. Video recording maxes out at 40K 60fps, delivering stable and sharp footage. Battery life has been consistent thanks to the 4500 mAh battery. With moderate use, it easily lasts a full day. Charging is fast with the 33-watt wire charger, and wireless charging is a convenient addition. From 0 to 50% takes about 30 minutes, while a full charge takes around 70 minutes. Not the fastest on the market, but reliable enough for most users. So 9 months later, is the Nothing Phone 2 still worth it? Absolutely. It offers a unique design, solid performance, and a clean software experience. However, if you're looking the absolute best camera or the fastest charging, there might be better options out there. And that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.